Litigators utilize Protégé on Lexis AI to reduce repetitive tasks, tackle complex analysis, and deliver exceptional work. Let's say that you are working on a medical malpractice case that involves lack of informed consent in New York. Use Protégé for each stage of the litigation process. Access Protégé and find 4 legal AI tasks. Ask will rapidly generate precise, research-backed answers to complex legal questions. Draft will quickly generate polished, litigation-ready motions, pleadings, and briefs tailored to your jurisdiction and facts. Summarize will instantly provide concise, accurate summaries of legal authority. And Documents will analyze and refine your own filings or opposing counsel's documents for accuracy, arguments, and citation strength. Start with Summarize to gain a quick understanding of the New York law on this topic. New York CLS Pub Health 2805-D. Protégé will instantly provide a summary of the law along with links to view the full text of the statute and additional precedent that would increase your knowledge of the law. Select New Conversation to return to the Protégé homepage. The Ask task simplifies the complex and time-consuming task of legal research, providing answers to diverse legal questions along with relevant hyperlinked legal citations. For example, ask Protégé, is it medical malpractice to not include all possible side effects in a consent to treat form? The jurisdiction can be set using the jurisdiction filter or within the prompt itself. There is also a content filter that allows you to choose to include unpublished or unreported decisions and to restrict cases by civil or criminal content. In running this prompt, Protégé searches through the Lexis AI database of cases, codes, rules, constitutions, agency decisions, practical guidance materials, and treatises. The response will be grounded in the trusted, accurate Lexis AI content. Once the response generates, you will find a direct answer to your question along with hyperlinked citations, including shepherd signals. You can do a deeper dive into the research by examining these citations or by selecting to view related material to find other sources that support the AI-generated response. Beneath the response, find suggested prompts tailored to your initial search to help you advance your research more efficiently. Or you can enter your own additional prompts. Protégé also provides suggested actions or next steps based on your prompt and on an attorney's expected workflow. Once you understand the legal issues, you are ready to draft documents in preparation for litigation. You can click New Conversation and select the draft task, or you can simply continue this conversation and utilize the suggested task, draft a memo based on this output. Protégé will again search through the Lexis AI database of primary and secondary sources to generate the response with inline linked citations. The memo will populate on the left of the page, and on the right you will see the authorities used in generating that response, again along with the shepherd signals. The memo opens in draft mode, which allows you to modify the draft just as you would a Word document. You can also highlight text, then use the drafting tools to refine the memo. Here, you can simplify, condense, expand, or redraft the text entirely. If you prefer the newly generated text, simply click to replace the text within the draft. Once you have made all necessary revisions, you can download the memo to Word, or you can click Save and Exit. You can return to the memo by clicking on Open in Drafting Mode. Documents is the fourth and final Protégé task. With Documents, you can upload documents and then summarize, analyze, or refine the content, perform drafting tasks, generate a litigation timeline, and more. Upload a document to be analyzed, such as this motion for summary judgment in an informed consent case. Uploaded documents are encrypted, saved temporarily, and deleted at the end of the session or if there has been no activity for 10 minutes. After uploading documents, Protégé analyzes the content and provides suggested tasks. These tasks will vary based on the document you uploaded. For briefs, motions, and other litigation documents, use the suggested prompts to perform many tasks, such as finding similar briefs, pleadings, and motions, finding incorrect quotes, drafting various documents, including interrogatories, summarizing the documents, and shepherdizing the citations within the documents. If you have many documents you are working with, or if you would like to store documents within Protégé, you can create a vault. Protégé Vault is a secure storage database for your documents. Your vaults are accessible to you alone and are not shared with LexisNexis or used to train or tune Protégé. Once you upload documents to a vault, you can complete numerous GenAI tasks using the suggested prompts. For example, quickly generate a timeline from the documents. Events are extracted from the uploaded documents and placed in a graphical timeline view that is chronological in order. You can then use the delivery options to capture this timeline. Documents uploaded to a vault are stored securely until you delete them by clicking Manage Vault, so you can save your work in our secure system and return again and again to perform time-saving AI tasks on those documents. This would allow you to quickly review, revise, and update the documents as needed. As you can see, the Documents feature on Protégé will allow you to easily analyze, review, and edit documents in preparation for litigation, ensuring the documents meet your needs and saving hours of document review time. By utilizing the vast array of tools and content on Protégé, you can efficiently get the insights and information you need to support your litigation practice. Contact your LexisNexis representative to learn more.